Well, here we are, and I am trying to figure out how to mount this sight on this bow. And this one never came with any screw holes in it. And you have to mount this block on here. The rest of this is going to slide up and down, or this is going to slide up and down. This is going to go this way. So you got to make sure you line everything up, which I have done already. And I marked it out with the handyman's friend, soapstone. Always use that for marking stuff because it doesn't leave a mark. You see it's just white there and it'll come off. So I marked that and just going to drill. I used my clamp there, and now I'm going to see if I can drill through this. Well, that worked easy enough. Didn't slide. I guess it's not that hard stuff. Not that hard anyway. Same routine. Yeah, battery's going dead again. Well, that is weird. Brand new rechargeable batteries, and they keep going dead on me. Alright. Hold on. I'll come back in a minute. Okay. Well, my battery died before, so I have no idea where it died. So anyway, I drilled and used soapstone to mark out where the block was going to go. And I was able to use 2 drills in my Ryobi drill and got that drilled out. Now the only thing is, I take this clamp off. I don't have 2 screws yet, I only have 1, so I'll put that on there, then I'll have to find another one the right length. So what we got to do here now is this other side is where the knob goes. So you see this is where the screw or nut goes, because the knob has to go there to tighten this block down. But also it has to sit on this. And you see that holds it in place. So now I've got to go find my knob. Okay, it's over there. And we'll put 1 screw through here just to hold it in place. Then we can put this knob in here. But this one slides, this whole thing slides back and forth, so, and that's all the knob is for. It just holds it in place. And we'll lock it down. And that's what we're going to do with that. And then kind of awkward here. Alright, see, is my thing going to die now? No, it's not. Okay. So anyway, yeah, that's where it's supposed to go. It's going to line up there. And then I just need to get 1 more long screw for the other side. But I'm going to screw that down and make sure that's tightened down first but I needed a flat blade screwdriver, so we'll be right back in a second. Okay, it's tightened down now, and actually, let's see if I can do a thing with the camera here. Alright, now if you look, the block's mounted. It's mounted right there, that way. The sight is a little red guy right here. So, and then that's adjustable up and down. And that's it. The sight's going to be ready to use as soon as I can find one more screw. I got to find another screw and a nut to go through there. That was a problem. The screws they had were too short because this does not have, it did not have any holes in it. So I had to make sure I could find the right place to mount the block and then put it in place. So that should work. In case anybody else uses the same generic bow that doesn't have any holes, you can do the same thing. It's really not that hard at all. Just make sure that block is in there solid, and this knob here is loosened up if you want to slide this rail back and forth, whatever. And this one, this is a sight that goes up and down. It adjusts up and down. So there you go. And that's how you put it together. And that's going to be it for now. See you guys later.